Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips, Tricks. This is really part 2, but it doesn't really have anything to do with part 1. I helped the gentleman size these, and he sent it back at 2.65 by 1.4, so they're all the same. I'm going to actually call this part 2. And now he wants to know how he can distribute them to print them out. Well, my suggestion, and there's many ways to do this, would just be to kind of line them up by hand. Don't worry about getting too close. Don't worry about up and down. He thinks he can get 8. I don't really know what size his printer is, but he said something like 22 inches. So I made it 22 inches. And then what we're going to do, we're going to really look at the end ones. And we're going to put it about that far away from the edge. So we'll get this one, and we're going to use the Align and Distribute tool, and we're going to put that one about the same distance off the edge of the printer. But now I need to make them all on the same line. So I'm going to select them all. I'm going to hit T like in Tom, and put it all on the top. So they're all equal because they're all the same size. Now we're going to open up Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute. And we're going to use this one right here because they're all the same size. We're going to distribute from the center horizontally. Look at that. Now every one of these are equal distance apart. And we can kind of check the distance. The easiest thing to do would be to select the item, hit the Shift key, and double click on the rectangle tool. So I'm holding down the Shift key. And that gives us the exact outline of the object. And if we take the parallel dimension tool, this thing is 0.10, a tenth of an inch apart. We'll do a couple more just to kind of prove that they're equal. So we're going to grab that one, hold down the Shift, hit the rectangle tool or double click on it. And then we're going to grab that one, Shift. And now let's measure these two, and hopefully they're the same. Let me zoom in a little bit. Parallel dimension tool. This really isn't needed, but unless he was going to cut it with something. So it's 0.10 inches apart. And then just do the same thing for the other ones. Put them on there and get them close. And then he could possibly print them all at one time. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.